start breaking it up into chunks. And there's a couple different ways I'm going to do that. So the simplest way is to use the rectangular marquee tool. It's just the box selection. I'm going to start at the top and work my way down. And you can decide how thin or thick you want to make your rectangles. That's completely up to you. And I'm going to use the shortcuts. They're also found under Edit. You can use Cut or Copy. I'm going to use Cut. And the paste is right here, but I like to use the key shortcuts. So I'm going to hit Command X to cut that part out, and then I'm going to hit Command V to paste it. What this does is it automatically puts the new object on a new layer. Watch what happens to my layers panel over here when I hit Command V. Command V. Now my head is in the middle of my head. I'm going to move that back up here so it lines up. This way, any changes I make to this layer only affect that little bit of my head. If I don't want to see that, I can click this eyeball icon right here, and it goes away. So I'm just going to work my way down, selecting, and I want to make sure I go the whole way across so I don't have little bits left out. Command X. Now notice nothing happened because I'm on the wrong layer. I'm on layer 1. I want to be on layer 0 right now. Command X, Command V, and again I have to go to my move tool and move it back where I want it to line up. I'm hiding these as I go, so it makes it easier to see where this edge is. I'll do one with my eyes. Command X. Whoop, I didn't go the whole way across. Command Z is your best friend. It undoes stuff, so undo. There we go. Whole way across. Command X, Command V. Line it back up. And you can also use the arrow keys like I am right now to move stuff. Get in there. Once more with feeling. And you can change up the size of your chunks if you want. I'm trying to stay pretty uniform. Command X, Command V. Move it on down. And you'll notice each of these has a number, but you can rename them by double clicking on them. So I could do top. I could do, whoops, that's layer style, so don't worry about that. I could do eyebrows, etc., eyes, nose, and etc., etc. It's good practice to name your layers. That way you don't get confused with which layer is which and what's on what layer. So there's that one going the whole way across. Command X, Command V. And I'm actually not going to cut that one. I'm just going to leave it be. So now, if you've lined up right, if you turn these eyeballs back on, it should, keyword should, still look like your picture is all one picture. It's just you. But I have all of these different parts of myself that I can turn on and off because they're on different layers.